decide what you think is best. Then you go on it, get on it, and try to hold your balance. Get on your waveboard again, try to hold your balance, and then you twist the waveboard like this. Get on your waveboard again, then you lay all your weight to the back of the waveboard like this, or to the front of the waveboard like this. Then you get on your waveboard again, and then you ride from the one side to the other side of the road, like this. Get on your waveboard and begin to ride it. Then you take your left foot to the end of the waveboard like this, and then you lay all your weight on the left foot like this.